guys, I got such a good response from my data binders and getting ready for the new Common Core standards. I thought I would share how I'm using the data binders in my classroom. So let's take a look at it. On here you can see this is my front cover that is in the pack that I have for a freebie. On here the parents are to date it, sign it, and then they also leave a comment for their child. On here you can see comments like, great job, we need to keep working on comprehension, don't forget to read carefully on your theme tests, good work, I will help you work on your fractions, and we are proud of you, keep up the good work. So there are some constructive comments as well as just, way to go or whatever. So the parents are getting involved in the child's learning as well. On the inside, at the beginning, I just put all of my graphs, just because I think that that's easier for second graders. There's a lot of different ways that you could do this, but if you look here, you can just see he's been charting his spelling test scores, or I guess that one's from his unit test, and then here's his spelling test, dictation, and then reading log. This is based on the number of minutes that they read. I've got different ones that I have been trying out and using. Then I also have any benchmark data that I've gotten from throughout the year. Any kind of things like that. I just went ahead and kept that in there. Then I also have reflection pages from last 9 weeks. I just kept each of the reflection pages where they talk about things they did their best on, things they could have done better on, and some of the goals they have. Setting goals is a tough one for second graders, as you probably know, but we are working on that, and we've brainstormed ideas to try to come up with some different things that we might want to work on. Then it has some of the cover sheets from our theme tests. And then this was data and also stuff from last 9 weeks. This is our next 9 weeks. So here I've got papers that have been graded. So here's a spelling test, the reading log, and the different however many minutes that they read. Also, any writing assignments are in here that we've done. Also, the rubric that goes with it so that we can keep track of that data. And you can see, all different kinds of things and maybe working on capitals. It just kind of gives them a little bit more idea, maybe something that could be their goal. So one of his goals this time is to get more fiction books because he always wants to read nonfiction books. So it's just basically their work that they've done, and then we graph that data, and also we can see like improvement and where we need improvement throughout the time that we've got. And then there's also a math section. So we just basically keep our language arts, and then our math is separate. And we need to get working on some graphs and things for our math as well. So that's all that I've got with it, really. I know someone else had suggested to go ahead and maybe even have student-led conferences and be able to use this data where the students would tell their parents about the data, and I think that's a great idea as well. I hope this helps you get started with data binders in your class. I think you'll like them. Thanks. Talk to you later.